I'm Marilyn Bradford. Do you have a family of origin? I'm so sorry. Maybe I shouldn't say that. There are a few people in this world, and I actually hope you are one of them, that had a fabulous family of origin, where mom and dad and you had other people who just looked at you and said, "Hey, amazing being, who are you? Let me get to know you." Unfortunately, that's not what happens in most families. In most families, certainly in mine, it was, we are the Smiths, or we are the Wongs, or we are the Kazulis, and this is how you need to behave. This is how we do things. This is what women in our family do. This is what men in our family do. This is how you should grow up, what kind of job you should have, and everything else for you to fit in, regardless of whether or not that was a good fit for you. Now, I'm not making parents wrong, because they're just doing what they were told. The difficulty is when that's the way that you're approached as a child, you begin to get the idea that who you are doesn't count. Who you are doesn't matter. It's, oh, what can I be and do to fit in? And that's basically denying your being. How many of you were told, hey, you know what? I would like to assist you in learning how to choose and in trusting yourself and in looking at questions that you can ask about your life? I certainly wasn't, and I bet you weren't either. And once again, nobody's wrong for that. They didn't have those tools. But what happens is, in families, it can kind of stunt your growth, your emotional growth. Your being is off somewhere else. Well, guess what, folks? I'm doing a class called Recovering from Family. And the whole idea of this class is to assist people in moving beyond how they were treated as children, not going back and trauma drama. We don't need to do that, because I can provide access tools, right recovery for you tools, that allow you to have ease without going into trauma, with moving on and creating a life you truly desire and beginning to trust you and make those choices and ask those questions. So I invite you to join me for a 3-part teleseries, Recovering from Family.